Charismata Homes. This is
Michelle Henry.
Michelle Henry, and she is here with her booth, lovely jewelry and accessories. Get a look at some of these beautiful things. And I want you to see these because with this jewelry, 25% of the proceeds of the jewelry go towards Charismata Homes, which is a special organization. And Michelle's going to tell us a little bit about it.
Okay, Charismata Homes is for single mothers that's homeless. And what I do is get mothers that's out on the streets, like house to house, living in homes that's abandoned or are from referrals. And what happens is we get them and put them in our homes. They like transitional homes. And we get them off the street and make the mom and children safe.
Okay.
And we also have a free clothes closet, and we build in a pantry for food and a diaper pantry as well.
Okay, now tell me a little bit about the diaper pantry. That is open to anyone in the community?
Yes, it's for the community. Okay. Anyone that's in a part of our program with Charismata.
Okay. And can you tell us where we would go to be a part of that program?
Yes, that'll be at 18462 West McNicholas in Detroit.
Okay. And do you have a website?
Yes, that's CharismataHomes.com.
Okay, CharismataHomes.com. Make sure you go and visit this website. They're doing phenomenal things for the community and for those of us who run against hard times, which happens for everyone. So definitely give Charismata Homes a look up on your website or visit. And that is a wrap.